I make this all the time at home. It's such a satisfying and comforting dish, and best of all, it's just as nutritious as it is delicious. Salam and hi. Today we're making a classic Iranian comfort food called Khorak-e Loobia Chiti. Loobia Chiti literally means pinto bean, which is a beautiful, hearty and comforting bean stew, simmered with potatoes, onions, tomato and aromatic spices. Trust me, one serving is definitely not going to be enough. You're going to want seconds and maybe even thirds. So make sure you make a big batch. We're having some good pinto beans. So if you want to learn how to make this, keep watching. Okay, start by rinsing and soaking your pinto beans in plenty of water for 24 hours. If you can change the water a few times during this preparation, it makes a huge difference. The next day, drain the soaking water completely and throw it out. Alright, pour 10 and half a cups of water into a pot and bring to a boil. Then add soaked beans and bring it back to a boil. Now, scoop off and discard any foam that rises to the top. Reduce heat to low, put the lid on and simmer for about an hour until beans are soft. Oh, by the way, don't add salt yet. In a separate pan, heat up some oil and toss in your finely chopped onions with a pinch of salt. Saute them until they are soft and translucent. Next, add all your spices: turmeric, curry powder, cumin, black pepper, and chili powder. Stir them around for about 30 seconds until they smell amazing. Then add the tomato paste and fry it for another minute to wake up its flavor. Now toss in your diced potatoes. Give everything a good mix and let them saute with the onions and the spices for 2 to 3 minutes. This quick fry is a great trick. It helps the potatoes hold their shape so they don't get mushy later on. As you can see, our beans are perfectly cooked. Now stir the potato and spice mixture into the pot. Then add some salt and let it simmer for another 15 minutes. In the meantime, the liquid will thicken up and become beautifully rich and creamy, or as we say in Farsi, ja uftade. Oh, by the way, if you're enjoying this recipe so far, please don't forget to click that like button. It really helps the channel out. Thank you. My Loobia Chiti is done. Look at how creamy it turned out. You can add some lemon juice if you desire. It's a simple and humble dish, but honestly, it doesn't matter how basic a recipe is. It's the love and effort you put into it that makes it taste amazing. Alright, now for the best part, let's plate this up. First, I'm going to serve it just as it is, in this beautiful dish. Look at that texture. This is pure comfort in a bowl. Perfect with a piece of warm bread on the side. But if you want to take it to the next level, you have to try it the Iranian way. I'm serving a second plate right alongside some fluffy steaming hot rice. The sauce and the rice together, absolutely perfect. This Iranian bean stew is a perfect example of how humble ingredients like pinto beans and potatoes can be transformed into a comforting and rich feast. And dinner is served. Whether you eat it with bread or rice, it's going to blow you away. Please don't forget to click that like button for me. See you in the next one. God bless and lots of love. Khuda Hafiz.